This video suggests vaginal odor reasons with the best tips to stop the thick white discharge. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. The genital odor is a very common problem that affects women and teenage girls who have reached puberty. The genital passage, uterus, or cervix produces a clearer whitish fluid, and this is called as genital discharge. Its consistency and color depending on where you are on your monthly menstrual cycle. This discharge is usually odorless or may have a faint odor. There are natural pills to stop the thick white vaginal discharge. Abnormal discharge that has an unusual and foul odor may be a cause of concern, and it becomes important to stop the vaginal foul smell. There may also be a change in color, consistency, and/or a significant increase or decrease in quantity. 4 major causes of vaginal odor. There are many factors that can lead to a change in your vaginal discharge. Vaginal yeast infection. A vaginal yeast infection is a fungal infection that causes irritation, discharge and intense itchiness of the vagina and the vulva at the vaginal opening. Sexually transmitted infections. Chlamydia, gonorrhea, and trichomoniasis causing green, yellow, or gray discharge with a foul odor. This can also be accompanied by pain in the pelvic area. Bacterial infections, bacterial vaginosis. It happens when the different kinds of healthy bacteria in your vagina get out of balance and grow too much. Estrogen levels. The vaginal odor usually becomes more noticeable when there is an increased level of the hormone estrogen in the body. Tips to stop thick white vaginal discharge. Tea tree oil. This is a great natural treatment to get rid of leukorrhea. It is one of the time-tested alternative medicines to cure a variety of ailments and has gained immense popularity in recent years. Enriched with compounds such as terpinin 4-OL, tea tree oil is a popular active ingredient found in a number of topical medicines that are used to cure infections. It is a great herbal treatment for smelly discharge. Baking soda. Baking soda is also an effective way to stop the vaginal foul smell. Baking soda is a popular remedy that helps you combat fishy odor caused due to genital infections induced by the change in pH value. Bonus tip. Genix capsule is the best natural treatment to get rid of leukorrhea. Many women suffer from the leukorrhea problem. Once the normal menstrual cycle is disrupted, you may suffer from excessive blood loss during menstruation. It is a herbal treatment for smelly discharge. It consists of antimicrobial properties. It maintains good health by reducing excessive vaginal discharge and prevents bacterial and fungal infection. Key ingredients in Genix capsules include Godonti Hartalbasma, Ashoka, Nagkesar, Lodra, Subrabasma, and Ashwagandha. Lodra, a key herb in the Genix capsule, has amazing healing properties that help to get rid of foul smell. To stop the vaginal foul smell, use Genix capsules as they naturally improve functioning as well as prevent the thick white vaginal discharge. Regular use of this capsule restores the health of the female reproductive system and prevents excessive blood loss. Conclusion. It is an herbal treatment for smelly discharge. Must follow given tips and take Genix capsules for faster results. Buy Genix capsules at naturogain.com. Do you have any health queries? or question regarding our herbal products, leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. We are always there to help you. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.